This is the search for IMNAS DAYA Pandemic Edition. 15 lovely hopefuls will vie for tonight's most coveted crown. Who would be among these ladies will be crowned tonight? There's only one way to find out. Let's all watch the search for IMNAS DAYA Pandemic Edition. Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates in their production number.
For this edition of IMNAS DAYA Pandemic Edition. Diba? Hello! Magkita dito, tingin karilingguran, these are the members of the KK-DOT. Palakpakan kayo mati KK-DOT. Kabataan kontra droga at terorismo.
Thank you so much for coming.
Itamat ka banda, itamat digitay ayuda awards.
Ayuda team.
Ayuda team.
Ayuda team.
Dapat pandemic itataapo mayor, hantay uning nga dati ipaypayag.
Well,
di pala kita ti ayuda.
True. iraman da kami Apo Mayor. Kasi kasali kami kadito nga pandemic. Nagrigat kami met.
Yes, it's
Diba? Haan nga dito ay Apo.
Yes,
Da kami pay.
It's been 2 years
Yeah,
that
naman.
IMNAS Daya, it was impeded. This activity was impeded by this, my God, COVID-19. And how we really miss each other, guys. And this is a manifestation of love, care, and good governance coming from the administration of this very active and young men in the person of kuya ng lahat, crush ng mga LGBTQ+. Siyempre, sino kumapay?
Awan sa bali.
Awan sa bali.
The action man.
The action man. Mayor Geoffrey Sagit.
Ito nga, di na kami baybayan.
Di na kami
Mayor.
baybayan. Actually, hanatay binaybayan.
True, Mama.
Because for the past 3 days, we've been looking forward of accumulating our simple token para kadigiti LGBTQ tayo.
Karaman tad Mama.
Karaman tayo.
Gusto nga inayat ko.
Gusto ko na agkalma ka, Dani. Kasi ay-ayatan kayo ng LGBTQ. Palakpakan
Palakpak
kayo
ka naman. Yan.
At syempre, katwana dito, amapay dito yung ila in the person of the very amiable and always accommodating Apo Vice Mayor Rachel Valenzuela.
Thank you, sir. Sino pa Mama nakadado
Hindi na
na?
konsehal.
Okay. Amin ka
Umunaamit ni Apo, Uncle, ABC, El Mirando Verdadero, and he encompasses all. Di ba?
Correct.
Pero naman tayo mamuligit ito tumata urits nga Sangguniang Bayan. And the rest will be history, guys. Nakatato digiti, friends tayo, nga tatoy itata, and I'll be calling you one by one for the ayuda. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us get to know our very industrious candidates. Kasi ako may bagang beautiful. Very extraordinary. So, we'll get to know them better as we start calling candidate number 1. Mike, please.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay. Ang hindi humiyaw, masusunugan ng bahay. A blissful evening to each and everyone. This is Kevin Vanguardia, a proud 16-year-old stunner na nagsasabing an anuenta kaluto nga inaboy no siyak to may lakal kalungen nilakay mo. And I'm proud to represent Barangays Buruganan and Madaba. Hep hep! Hooray! Crowns are not made of jewelry or a rhinestone, because a real crown is made of consistency, determination, and a real trait called courage. Hi, hello, mabuhay. I'm Branch Dancer Ramos, but tonight, do allow me to stand by the name, MS Maha Salvador. Na nagsasabing, kapag si Rizal, pugod ulo, lagay piso. Kaming mga bakla, bigay 150, subo ulo! And I'm proud to represent Barangays of Lanas and Ben! Naimba garabi Dingras! My name is Bradley Menor, representing Roon Solcano.
Hello, good evening, Dingras. Happy Fiesta. My name is Dylan Turading, but tonight, do allow me to stand by the name ang mas fresh pa sa jowa mo, Miss Atisa Manalo, representing Lumbad Falls. I stand my minutes my life in mistakes, pero po nalaman ko na pusong Pinoy po talaga ako. My name is Alan Sanchez, 21, representing Kapasan and Suyo.
Ana Krista Garo representing Bedzina Parado na nag-iiwan ng kasabihang hindi man po ako kumakain sa mang inasal. Kumakain naman po ako, anak. Sorry, thank you.
Mamati ak, nga ti danom, nga agapu, iti bantay, ket ubog. Ngem no ti danom, ket agapu, iti gripo. Ay, nawasa dayta. Ngem no ti danom, ket agapu, iti mineral water. Ay, distilled water dayta. Ngem no ti danom, ket agapu, iti tao. Diyos ti agnina, kakarin danom dayta. Good evening, Dingras. I am Savannah, hot sex, representing Barangay Cali and Saludares na nagsasabing nung nadalos ti pinggan, turbab tinangan. Thank you very much.
I just wanna say, nag-andod di sinaruno. My real name is Abby Gabriel Valenzuela, but tonight, let me stand by the name of your very first Miss Q&A second runner-up, Miss Lars Pacheco. And I believe in the saying that unity should always come forward in all aspects. I do not believe that there is a room for hatred nor hate. Also, I believe that life should be full of love, humility, compassionate, and peace. And lastly, I am representing IMNAS, Albano, and Dancel. And I thank you.
Guard Lagat Mariaha, 17, proud to representing from the Muli awarded and the cleanest, greenest barangay of Dingras, proud to representing Barangay Mandaloque.
Good evening, Dingras. My name is Zephany Peacock de la Cruz, 18, proud to representing Barangay Sampatan, San Marcelino, San Francisco. Thank you.
My name is Michael John Blanco Garcia. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name ang nag-iisang gaga ng buhay nyo, Lady Gaga, representing Barangay Peralta. Day, thank you.
Sa layo-layo ng aking pinanggalingan, nagbangsit to'y mic. My name is Justin Luis Thailand Pascual, but tonight please do allow me to stand by the name ang naghurado sa Miss Universe 2021, MS Marian Rivera. Thank you.
Beauty is not found in me, but my personality will bring you to remember me. Standing in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, is a 19-year-old stunner. My name is Ayel Pascual Arellano, representing Vaccine and Espiritu na nagsasabi, pangit man ako sa inyong paningin, mas pangit ang susunod sa akin. Thank you!
LGBTQ is not a sin, it depends on our action. But for me, the community need us because we have the unique talent, skills, and personality that a real man and a real woman don't have. Good evening to each and everyone. This is Marge Mika Breve, proud to represent from Guy Baguts and San Esteban.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Johan Colleen Manlapas and a candidate of Guerrero. At bago ko lisanin na ang mikroponong ito, gusto kong malaman ninyo na ang pinakamasaklap na nangyari dito sa mundo, yung tomboy ka pero princess ang pangalan mo. Tapos maglalagay ka ng bio sa Facebook. Ikaw lang, sapat na mahal ko, baby ko, 16 and I. Thank you.
I am 21 years old. This is Sambado. Barangay Pop